Hello students, this is the second part of the chapter The Cherry Tree from your book My English Garden. So in first part we saw that Rakesh and grandpa live in the Himalayan foothills which are located in northern India, and his grandfather is a retired forest ranger, and Rakesh is a 6-year-old boy who lives with his grandfather. So now we'll see in the next paragraph. Rakesh was on his way home from school when he bought the cherries. It took him about half an hour to walk home, and by the time he reached the cottage, there were only 3 cherries left. So I told you in the beginning that when was coming from his school, he bought some cherries from Missouri Bazaar, and he it takes him around half an hour to reach home. So in half an hour, on his way to home, he took almost cherries and he was left with only 3 cherries. उसने लगभग सारी cherries खा ली, अब उसके पास सिर्फ 3 cherries बची हुई थी. Now when he reaches home, जब वो घर पहुंचता है, then what did he say to his grandfather? Have a cherry, grandpa, he said, as soon as he saw grandpa in the garden. So when he reached his home, he offers cherries. He offered one cherry to his grandpa. एक cherry अपने grandpa को देता है. As he saw him sitting in the garden, उसको जब दिखते हैं उसके grandfather garden में बैठे हुए हैं, तो उनको एक cherry दे देता है. Now grandpa took a cherry and Rakesh promptly ate the other 2. He kept the last seed in his mouth for some time, rolling it around on his tongue until all the tang had gone. Then he placed the seed on the palm on his hand and studied it. Now what happens? Now grandpa took one cherry and ate it up, and Rakesh ate the other 2 also quickly. And when he was left with one cherry and almost it was finished in his mouth, it was rolling the cherry around his tongue. अपनी ज़ुबान में बार बार उसको घुमा घुमा कर it was sucking it, उसको चूस रहा था, so that all the tang of the cherry could go into his mouth. उसके मुंह में आराम से जो उसका खट्टा मीठापन है, टैंग है, जो उसके मुंह में पूरा टैंग उस चेरी का चला जाए. And then when completely he finished or took all the tang from the cherry, he placed the seed of that cherry on his palm. अपने palm पर, हथेली पर उस cherry का seed रखता है, और then he started looking at it. उसको देखना शुरू कर देता है. Here the meaning of studied is to look at something, किसी चीज़ को ध्यान से देखना, and the meaning of place is to keep something, किसी चीज़ को रखना, and the meaning of promptly is quickly. Now what he says, what he said to his grandfather. He asked his grandfather, are cherry seeds lucky? उससे पूछता है that these seeds are lucky seeds. अब now grandpa, he's also said yes, of course they are lucky. Then what he said in return, राकेश क्या कहता है? Okay, then I'll keep it, तो मैं इसको रख लूँगा. Nothing is lucky if you put it away. If you want luck, you must make it work for you. अब उसके grandpa उससे कहते हैं, he said to Rakesh that if you keep this seed with you, and it will if you do not work upon it, if you do not make it work, इट इज़ यूजलेस, इट विल नॉट ब्रिंग यू एनी लक। अगर तुम इस चेरी को रख लोगे अलग और इस पर कोई मेहनत नहीं करोगे, इससे कोई काम नहीं लोगे, इट विल नॉट ब्रिंग यू एनी लक, तुम्हारे लिए कोई लक नहीं लाएगा। इट इज़ यूजलेस, वो बेकार है। देन राकेश आस्क्ड हिम अगेन दैट व्हाट कैन आई डू विद इट, विद दिस सीड, मैं इस सीड का फिर मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ। देन हिज ग्रैंडफादर रिप्लाइड हिम एंड सेड प्लांट इट, इसको कहीं पर प्लांट कर दो, इसको कहीं लगा दो। सो द मीनिंग ऑफ प्लांट इज पौधे को लगाना। Now what happens after getting the advice from his grandfather, what he did, what Rakesh did, Rakesh went to a corner of the garden where the earth was soft and yielding. He did not have to dig. He pressed the seed into the soil with his thumb and it went right in. Yes, so here Rakesh quickly went to his garden and then he looked for the place where he could plant that seed. वो उस जगह को ढूंढता है जहाँ पर, वो गार्डन की उस जगह को ढूंढता है जहाँ पर उस बीज को वो लगा सके, उस बीज को प्लांट कर सके। सो फाइनली ही फाउंड अ कॉर्नर ऑफ द गार्डन, वो गार्डन का कॉर्नर से मिल जाता है। एंड वेयर द अर्थ इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट, सॉयल इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट, वहाँ की जो सॉयल है कॉर्नर की बहुत ही सॉफ्ट है, यील्डिंग है। यील्डिंग मीन्स क्या होता है, when we don't have to, you know, when something goes without trouble into something, किसी चीज़ में कोई चीज़ चली जाती है आसानी से, उसको yielding बोलते हैं। He did not have to dig, and because the soil was very soft, so he did not have to dig a hole, उसे कोई गड्ढा नहीं खोदना पड़ा। And finally he pressed with his thumb and put the seed into that small hole and it was planted. उसने अपने हाथ से, अपने अंगूठे से सॉइल को दबाया और उस सीड को सॉइल के अंदर दबा दिया। एंड फाइनली वो जो बीज है वो कम्प्लीटली इट वेंट राइट इन, वो सही सही लग गया वो मिट्टी में। देन he had his lunch and ran off to play cricket with his friends and forgot all about the cherry seed. अब after planting the seed he had his lunch, अपना lunch करता है, and he went outside for playing with his friends and he forgot all about the seed. वो seed के बारे में पूरी तरीके से भूल जाता है because he went to play with his friends. One spring morning in the garden, Rakesh bent to pick up what he thought was a small twig in the garden and found to his surprise that it was well rooted. He stared at it for a moment and then ran to fetch Grandpa, calling, "Dada, come and look, the cherry trees has come up." Now, so one day what happened? One spring morning. Now the spring season is going on. It means Basant season चलने लगा. So one spring morning, Rakesh went to his garden and there he looked. He found a twig in his garden. अपने garden में से twig मिलती है. So he bent to pick it up. वो उसको झुकता है उसको उठाने के लिए. But finally what he saw, he got surprised to see that the twig is well rooted. जो twig थी, जो टहनी थी छोटी सी, अंकुर निकला था वो बहुत ही वेल रूटेड था, उसमें बहुत सारी जड़ें निकल आई थी. एंड ही स्टार्टेड स्टेयरिंग एट दैट ट्री फॉर अ मोमेंट. कुछ समय तक वो उसको घूरता रहा. एंड देन ही वेंट टू हिज ग्रैंडफादर एंड टुक हिम टू द गार्डन. उनको वहाँ पर गार्डन पे ले आया. फेच का मतलब है लाना किसी को. सो टेक का मतलब भी लाना होता है, फेच का मतलब भी लाना होता है, किसी को लाना. सो ही कॉल्ड हिज ग्रैंडफादर एंड आस्क्ड हिम टू सी द चेरी ट्री. अब उससे कहता है कि ग्रैंडफादर सी दिस चेरी ट्री. नाउ but his grandfather has forgotten as he's too old and it's been long time that he did not see that cherry tree. So उनको पूरी तरीके से वो भूल चुके हैं. So वो क्या कहते हैं? He said, what cherry tree? asked grandpa who had forgotten about it. वो पूरी तरीके से भूल चुके थे. The seed we planted last year. वो कहता है this is the same seed which we planted last year. Now it has come up. अब ये बड़ा हो गया है. Rakesh went down on his hunches while grandpa bent almost double and peered down at a tiny tree. It was about 4 inches high. Now what happened? As now grandpa also remembered it that both of them planted it together. On his advice, Rakesh planted that seed. अब राकेश क्या करता है? ही बेंट ऑन हिज नीज. अपने घुटनों पे बैठ जाता है. हंचेज मीन्स नीज के घुटने के बल बैठना. एंड while grandpa bent almost double, but grandpa as he's so old and he can't see from near, बहुत ही पास से देख नहीं सकते थे, so he bent almost double. He bent too much down and started looking at the tiny tree. वो ट्री जो छोटा सा पेड़ उसकी तरफ देखने लगे. and it was the tree was of 4 inches high. वो कुछ नहीं 4 इंच का हाइट का था. वो 4 इंच बड़ा हुआ ट्री था. Yes, it's cherry tree, said grandpa. You should water it now and then. अब वो कहते हैं, yes, this is cherry tree. Now you have to take care of this tree and you have to water it daily. Rakesh ran indoors and came back with a bucket of water. Now, listening to his grandfather, he quickly went inside and brought a bucket of water. एक बाल्टी पानी की लेके चला आता है. But grandpa warned him, do not drown it. इसको पलट मत देना. Rakesh gave it a sprinkling and circled it with pebbles. अब राकेश क्या करता है? After sprinkling, now Rakesh sprinkled some water on it, on the tree, and he placed some small pebbles around the tree. उस ट्री के पूरे चारों ओर कुछ कुछ छोटे छोटे पेबल्स यानी छोटे पत्थर रख देता, स्मॉल स्टोन्स रख देता है. नाउ ग्रैंडपा आस्क्ड, व्हाट आर द पेबल्स फॉर? अब ग्रैंडपा पूछते हैं, व्हाई हैव यू प्लेस्ड these pebbles around this tree? So here this is again a guess. You need to guess that why did he do so. उसने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why Rakesh kept the pebbles around the tree? This is the question for the next, for you all to guess for the next video. Okay children, thank you so much.